In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to add end screen to your uploaded video either on the computer or on your phone. Hello YouTube star, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Ganny and this is Grow with Ganny. We are learning about end screen today. First of all, let's talk about what's the meaning of end screen. End screen means that after the immediate video that you just done, you are telling the YouTube the next video they are going to show to your viewers. Because if you are not doing that, that means you are telling YouTube that they should show anything that they like to your viewer. That means you are missing out your audience retention. You will not have more. And then as a new YouTuber, or you are trying to revive your channel, you need this to have more views on your channel. So without wasting much of the time, let's get right into the work. I want to add the end screen to this video. This video, to upload it on my YouTube, I want to show you a demonstration, a step-by-step how to add it. You can add it two ways. It's either you add it to newly uploaded video that you just want to upload that you have not uploaded, you can add it, or you add it to the videos that you already uploaded. In case you are the one that you have been uploading videos on YouTube and you have never put an end screen. So I want to show you step by step. This channel is fresh. You can see it's 0 subscriber. You should go to youtube.com. So when you are in youtube.com, you click on your profile picture here. You can see your profile picture. You click on it and you go to your YouTube studio. As you can see, YouTube studio. So once you are in your YouTube studio, this is your YouTube studio. This is a new fresh page channel. This is a new fresh channel that I am trying to build newly. Okay, so you go to the content, because I've already uploaded it, but I've not uploaded. I put it in private. So when you go to the content, you can see this is a video I want to upload. It's talking about how to upload a video to YouTube like a pro. So I want to upload this video now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the details, because I've not finished it. You can see that I put it in private. Okay, you can see I put it in private. So everything is there. How do I want to put them? I've already uploaded it yesterday, but I've not had an end screen. So you can see here we have an end screen, we have cards. So we'll come back and talk about card later. I'm still coming back to talk about card later. Okay, let's talk about end screen first. How to add an end screen. You can see this is an end screen. This is how an end screen means. It means what is going to show at the end of your video. So this is it. You have YouTube have different templates for you. You can also upload your personal one if you want, but like me, for this video I'm going to choose from YouTube. So but you want to make sure that just should give them an option, 1 video and 1 subscribe, or you give them 2 video and 1 subscribe. Okay, so just choose an option. Like me, I already have 3. I just have 3 video on this. Okay, so now you can see it is empty. Okay, you can see it. So I'm going to add video to you. So you click on it. If you want to add video to it, click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you best view, because or it give you playlist. I have playlists already, so I can add my playlist. Once you tap on it like this, click on this, it will take you to your playlist. I only have 1 playlist because it's a new channel, so I'm going to put this playlist on it. This is the next one, and the best view, I'm going to add it on my normal. I will choose a specific video by myself, which is the first video I created. So I'm choosing this video on it, and this is a subscribe. Anybody, if you click this on this, it's taking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel directly, and this is the next video you are going to watch. So this is just as simple as ABC. You can try to watch it and see how it will show. It will come up. Okay, you see, if you play it, get to turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any update. If you have any question or tips on your own for the community, drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. In my next video, I am going to show you how to. So you can reduce the size if you want. Like I can tap on this where I want it to pop up. Okay, I don't want it there, so I want to reduce it. So you wait until this arrow changed. Okay, this arrow will change. It will change to, you see, so it can make you to reduce the size to where you want it to be. Okay, you can put it. Let me put it here. I want to reduce all of them. Okay, you can see I want to reduce everything to the same size because I want something that I'm saying there, people to still see it. Okay, so I want to re-listen to it again. That is just simple like that. How to add a end screen is easy. Assuming you have uploaded your video already on the YouTube, and then you now want to go back and add an end screen. So I will show you how to do that. But don't forget to hit save. Let me show you that I am uploading this fresh video. So this one is how to add an end screen, not on the video that you have already uploaded, the video that you are uploading afresh. Okay, so this is how the screen is going to look like. So this is how the screen is going to look like. So you see details. I've done all my details, elements under video elements. So under video elements, they said use card and end screen to show viewer related videos, website or call to action. So that is the essence of an end screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add here because I'm adding an end screen. I'm going to click on add. So in this video, I will put one best video and then one subscribe. This one is subscribe. If anybody that click on this will take them to your, they will take them to your channel to subscribe. So this is the video. I'll put only one video, and I will put the video that is after before this one. So that is where I'm going to put it. Okay, so I'm going to put on this video. Okay, that's what I'm going to put. I'm going to put on this video. I'll go to video to choose a specific video that I want. You will go there and choose a specific video that you want. Click on it first. When you click on it, you will scroll down here. You come to this side and scroll down. So when you scroll down, you will now click here. Which video do you wish to put at the end? Okay, that is what you are going to put in this video. Okay, and in this video you put the video that you mentioned. Okay, make sure you put the video that you mentioned. Which video did you mention at the end? When I go to video, I'm not adding another element, so I will click here. You see, you have to click here to add the video. I will click here, because this is where I want to add the video. So I will not click elements. I'll just scroll down here to choose a specific video that I want. You will go there and choose a specific video that you want. Click on it first. When you click on it, you will scroll down here. You come to this side and scroll down. So when you scroll down, you will now click here. Which video do you wish to put at the end? Okay, that is what you are going to put in this video. How to add an end screen on your phone. As you can see, I am in my phone, and I'm recording this video in the midnight, so that's why it's dark and it's like this. So I am here on my phone, and then as you can see, what you do is, if you said you want to add it, it is impossible to add it via YouTube Studio. You will see that there is no any options here to add it. This is a video, or the 3 videos that I have already added on this YouTube channel. Okay, so when I tap on it, you will see that there is no, and I tap on edit here. You can see this edit button up here. You will see that there is no options here that says add end screen. Even if I click on edit in this place, no options to add an end screen. So you cannot add it via YouTube Studio application. You can only add it on your laptop or on the phone in the browser. Okay, so I'm taking you to my browser now to add it. Here is my browser, Google Chrome. Here, when you get to your Google Chrome, you can see this is my Google Chrome. Normally this Google Chrome is in mobile view. So the first thing you are going to do is make sure you are signing into your Gmail that you want to sign into, that you want to into your channel that you want to add end screen to. Make sure you sign into that channel. And how are you going to sign into that channel? You see this top here, it's right G. It's not the channel that I want to upload to, so I will tap on it. I have to change it. Okay, so it said manage add account or manage your account. So I want to add another account, the one that I want to sign in into. So it will ask me for my Gmail account, which is this. You are not saying it has asking me for my code, so it will block it, so you can see it. So that's my Gmail account. Okay, then I will go back and press okay, see next. It will ask me for my password. Okay, so next. So it ask me to confirm it. I want to confirm it. So I just confirm that it is me that is signing. So my account has changed now. So I will now go there to manage this account that I want to open. What did I want to open now? So I will sign in. I want to go to what you're going to do. You are going to type studio.youtube.com. Okay, studio. Okay, we'll ask you whether you want to get the app. No, we are not, because we are not using the app. So continue to studio. You tap on continue to studio. You see, it has taken me to this to my studio. But now what I'm going to do is, you can see in portrait, it's not too big. You need to be using your hand to be adjusting it. So I want to change it to, first of all, come back down here, this 3 dots here. I don't know if that there is a 3 dot below here. Okay, tap on that 3 dots. When you tap on that, you scroll up, take it up. You will see that request for desktop mobile. Okay, when you say request for desktop mobile, tap on it. It will change for you. Okay, you see, I'm like on desktop mobile now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn my phone. Okay, I'm going to turn my phone so that I can be able to see, make it bigger very well for you guys to be able to see. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm in my right YouTube channel where I want to add the end screen. So what I'm going to do is, so you scroll this, you scroll it, you can see, just go to content. We are going to content. Okay, when you tap on content, it will show you all the video that you have already uploaded. You know, it is two-way. It is either you upload it when you are nearly uploading your video, or to the video that you have already uploaded. So I'm going to do this one on the video that I have already uploaded. Okay, so I'll come to this upload like a YouTube. Tap on this. Make sure you tap on that. Then when you tap on it to open. So when you see this pencil here, you can see this pencil. There is pencil here. Tap on that pencil. That pencil will take you to your, still loading this one. So this is the video I want to add end screen to. Okay, so this one is fresh. It's the same thing. It's going to look like this also on computer, but we are doing it on phone. Okay, so you come down here. I hit next. Okay, when you get here, we are going to the end screen. You can see end screen. Yeah, this is end screen. So after, I'm still going to show you how to add cards. Well, let's talk about end screen first. You're going to click on add. Add will load. You can see which is this and one video. Okay, so that what you are telling YouTube is, this is the specific video you are sending them to. Okay, so just add only one video. Tap on this. When you tap on this, you see it brought it to any video, to your screen. This place will show your video. Okay, so this is your subscribe button. You can move it around also if you want. If you want to change where it is, you can place it here. You can change it like this. Okay, you can change it anywhere you want. Okay, so you can scroll up to add it, but this one you can add anything you want. So in this case, we are going to add, you see this red is indicating this red here. As you can see, this red here is indicating this red here. So what you're going to do is, you can add, you said you should add playlist. YouTube suggests your playlist for you. You can decide to change it to whatever that you want. Okay, so you just can click on element. Maybe you want to add a video. Okay, you can add another video on top of here if you want. If you don't want, if you want playlist, you will still come back. Then you choose the specific video you want to add by yourself. Okay, you choose the specific video you yourself you want to add. You can add your maybe how to create a new YouTube channel on that video, okay, which is perfect. Then you set it the way you want it. Okay, so you can come back to this one. You add your playlist. We have only one playlist, so add it to it as well. And then that is it. Your subscribe button is here. You can add two, you can add one as you want it. Anybody that tap on it, it will take them to your channel directly to subscribe. Then they don't forget. If you do not see, and make sure this thing is not on top of each other. You see, if you're on top of each other, it will not post. He said end screen elements cannot overlap. Don't be or be too close together on the video. Please adjust the element spacing. You see, so it's the same thing I will tell you on the phone that is going to tell you on the computer as well. So don't forget to hit on save. Do not forget, you have to save it. Okay, save it. So I've saved it already. You can see that it mark it for me. It mark it. I'm sure you know the advantage of having an end screen at the end of your video. YouTube give every creator this access so that it can help us to build our visibility. It can help us to grow more watch hour.